most preferred footwear destination for millions of customers in the country, and associations such as this helps us to further strengthen that association with the fashion conscious consumers, and that's why we are here with them. Thanks.
Right, now, thank you. We decided on this fabulous performer, wonderful MC. She did a great job. This year, again, she's with us for our anniversary celebrations. This time in a much more important role. She's our cover girl. Can I please tell you about our cover girl for the second anniversary April 2013 issue? She's a music composer, a pianist, a singer, a poet, an actress. She began her career singing playback, learned classical piano at the age of 8, has performed all over India, has gone to appear in movies like Vishwarupam and many more. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the very beautiful Andrea Jeremiah.
Okay, ma'am? Yeah. Yeah, tell me one thing. Yeah. Just have it.
Yes, here. What? Yes, straight. Sir, straight, sir.
Okay, ma'am?
Center stage also running.
Just
on your second anniversary.
Thank you. We would like you to say a few words, preferably in Tamil.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். எனக்கு அவ்வளோ தமிழ்ல வருமா இல்லையான்னு தெரியாது, பட் I should try my best. 2 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னால வந்து அவங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி இந்த மேகசினோட புதிய லான்ச்சுக்கு வந்து நான் ஒரு எம்சியா வந்திருந்தேன். அண்ட் it was a great experience. அப்போ வந்து if I remember correctly, ட்ரிஷா வந்து கவர்ல இருந்தாங்க. அண்ட் 2 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் நான் வந்து கவர்ல இருக்கிறேன். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ. அண்ட் ஏற்கனவே கங்க்ராச்சுலேஷன் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். சின்ன குழந்தையா இருக்கும்போது அப்போதுலேருந்தே இந்த மேகசின் வந்து It's been one of the most reputable and reliable magazines in the country. எங்க அம்மா கூட இந்த மேகசின் தான் படிச்சிருக்காங்க சின்ன குழந்தையா, எனக்கு வந்து ஞாபகம் இருக்கு. And I'm happy to say that like a fine wine, it has just matured and gotten better with age. So congratulations to the team of Femina as a whole. And நம்மளுக்கு என்னன்னா அவ்வளோ நல்ல வித்தியாசமான ஒரு மேகசின் வந்து நம்ம லாங்குவேஜ்ல வந்து லான்ச் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னா it's a great thing. So thank you Femina for launching your Tamil edition and for giving, I think, the people of Tamil Nadu a taste and a glimpse of Femina. So and thank you all of you for being here, and I hope all of you have a great evening ahead.
Now all of that in English. No, seriously, if there are any questions from the press, you can ask her.
What the experience of being interviewed by Femina was like for you?
The experience of being interviewed by Femina. Well, you know, I didn't get so lucky as to have Tanya herself interview me. This very sweet girl called me up and had a very nice chat with me. And I did go on a bus one time in Chennai, and this random guy looked at me in my school uniform and he said, "I love you." And I swear, it happened. So, I mean, such proposals of love and all well and good, but not when.
I can't let go of this. One woman icon you must name.
Necessarily an Indian woman? An Indian icon? Does she have to be famous? Okay. As an actor that I look up to is Meryl Streep. I would have to say that for two things. She's brilliant in what she does, and she has the grace to grow old gracefully, which is something very rare in today's age. Apart from that, no, I don't really have any icons.
Well, clearly you have Meryl Streep to name. Well, that is it. If there are no more questions, then thank you, members of the press, for being there. Thank you.
Photographs.
Ma'am, very good, ma'am.